In this video, you will learn about 20 phrasal verbs with up, along with their meanings and 2 examples for each. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She woke up feeling refreshed after a good night's sleep. Get up, to stand up or rise from bed. Example, I get up early to exercise before work. He got up and walked to the kitchen to make breakfast. Pick up, to lift something or someone. Example, can you pick up the phone and answer it? She picked up the toy and put it away in the box. Take up, to start doing something. Example, I took up painting as a hobby last year. He took up running to improve his health. Turn up, to increase the volume or intensity. Example, turn up the music, I can't hear it. The thermostat turned up the heat to warm the room. Come up, to approach or arrive. Example, come up to the front of the class and answer the question. The sun came up over the horizon, starting a new day. Bring up, to raise or mention a topic. Example, I brought up the issue at the meeting. She brought up her concerns about the project. Look up, to search for information or gaze upwards. Example, look up the definition of the word in the dictionary. He looked up at the stars in the night sky. End up, to finally be in a place or situation. Example, I ended up at the beach after getting lost. They ended up moving to a new city for work. Grow up, to become an adult. Example, I grew up in a small town. She grew up to be a successful businesswoman. Show up, to arrive or appear. Example, show up at the party at 8 p.m. He showed up late to the meeting again. Speed up, to increase the speed or pace. Examples, speed up the video, it's too slow. The car sped up to pass the other vehicle. Team up, to join forces or collaborate. Example, let's team up to complete the project. The companies teamed up to create a new product. Hookup, to connect or meet someone. Examples, hook up the cables to the TV. They hooked up at the party and became friends. Hang up, to end a phone call. Example, hang up the phone, we're done talking. She hung up the phone and walked away. Clean up, to tidy or remove mess. Example, clean up your room, it's a mess. They cleaned up the spill on the floor. Back up, to support or provide evidence. Example, back up your claims with facts. The data backed up the research findings. Step up, to take responsibility or action. Example, step up and lead the team. She stepped up to help her friend in need. Stand up, to rise from a seated position. Example, stand up and stretch your legs. He stood up to give a presentation. Dress up, to wear formal or special clothes. Example, dress up for the party tonight. They dressed up as superheroes for Halloween.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.